Budgeting. Just the thought of it makes many of us feel stressed, confused, or even overwhelmed. But what if I told you that finding the right budgeting method doesn't have to be complicated? In fact, today I'm going to give you an in-depth overview of budgeting methods for beginners, and by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to choose the one that fits you perfectly. So, whether you're trying to save for your dream vacation, pay off debt, or simply understand where your money is going, this guide is for you. Let's make budgeting work for you. Stay with me as we break it all down step by step. Why budget in the first place? Here's the deal, budgeting isn't just about cutting costs or restricting yourself, it's about empowerment. It's the tool that turns financial chaos into financial control. Think about Warren Buffett, who said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." That's the power of a budget in action. It's not just a plan. It's a promise to yourself that your money serves your goals, not the other way around. First up, we have zero-based budgeting. It's one of the most precise and disciplined methods. Here's how it works. At the start of the month, you assign every single dollar a job. Your income minus your expenses should equal zero. The idea is simple. If you bring in $4,000, you need to budget $4,000 across your essentials, savings, debt repayment, and even fun money. By the end of the month, every dollar is accounted for. This method ensures there's no idle cash slipping through the cracks. Many entrepreneurs swear by it. In fact, the zero-based approach is famously used by major corporations to ensure every department justifies its spending. But as a beginner, think of it as the simplest way to see your money with a magnifying glass. Now, for those who prefer a balanced and less detailed approach, we have the 50/30/20 rule. It's perfect if you're just dipping your toes into the world of budgeting. The rule splits your income into three broad categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Here's how that might look. If your income is $3,000 a month, $1,500 goes towards rent, groceries, and utilities, the essentials. $900 can be spent on dining out, entertainment, or that new gadget you've been eyeing. And finally, $600 goes into your savings or towards reducing debt. This method, popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren, is praised for its simplicity and flexibility. It's a great way to start if you're trying to balance living in the moment and planning for the future. Just a quick break from today's episode. I want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my videos. If you're finding this content valuable, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support is what helps keep this channel going and allows me to continue bringing you helpful content. It really makes a difference in helping me reach more people and keeping you updated with more tips and insights. Thanks again for watching, and now, let's get back to it. Imagine handling your budget the old school way, with physical envelopes. This method isn't just nostalgic, it's incredibly effective at controlling overspending. You allocate cash for each budget category into envelopes. Groceries? That envelope has $300 for the month. Dining out? Maybe $100. Once the cash is gone, spending stops. There's no reaching for the credit card to cover extras. This tactile approach is perfect for visual learners and those who benefit from a tangible limit on spending. Dave Ramsey, a personal finance guru known for his straightforward approach, is a huge advocate for this method. He often emphasizes that when you're holding that cash, you'll think twice before spending. And isn't that what budgeting is all about? Let's shift gears and look at a method that flips traditional budgeting on its head, the pay yourself first strategy. This budgeting technique emphasizes prioritizing your savings before you even look at other expenses. Here's how it works. The moment you receive your paycheck, you set aside a percentage for savings and investments, say 15 to 20%, before you even touch the rest of your money for bills or spending. This strategy enforces savings as a non-negotiable part of your budget. Why is this effective? Because if you wait until the end of the month to save, chances are you won't have much left. This method is popular among financial experts who stress the importance of building wealth early and consistently. Budgeting isn't one size fits all, and for some, focusing on values and priorities makes more sense than following rigid rules. Enter the priority-based budget. This method is all about identifying what truly matters to you and ensuring your spending aligns with those values. For instance, if your goal is to become debt-free, a larger portion of your budget goes towards paying off debt, even if it means less is allocated for non-essentials. This type of budgeting is incredibly personal and adjustable. For inspiration, think about minimalist advocate Joshua Becker, who promotes aligning spending with what adds value to your life. The key takeaway? When you spend in line with your priorities, every dollar spent feels purposeful. So, what's the right method for you? It depends on your financial goals, personality, and lifestyle. Maybe you'll resonate with the precision of zero-based budgeting or prefer the freedom of the 50/30/20 rule. Or perhaps paying yourself first or aligning your spending with your priorities is what will keep you motivated. Remember, the goal of budgeting isn't to restrict you, but to give you the freedom to make informed choices with your money. Budgeting is a journey, not a sprint. So start with one method, see how it fits, and don't be afraid to tweak it as you learn more about your habits and financial goals. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you take control of your finances. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out my playlist on budgeting and saving for more in-depth tips and strategies. And don't miss my latest video for even more practical insights that can help you on your financial journey. Just click on the cards on your screen to continue learning. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next one.